It's your boy Shawn.Stay.Fitted, back with another updated video. Got something a little different today. I told you I had some more things coming in, and one of them dropped. So today we're going to be doing an interview on the i7 Tws AirPods. Now, as you know, I upgraded to the iPhone X. I didn't want to pay the Apple price, which is outrageous for their iPod or their AirBuds rather. Sorry about that. Going for like $150, $160 for two little air things when you can go get, I've heard you can get some overseas, get some from China, AliExpress size, DHgate. These I actually found on Walmart.com, if you can actually believe it. That it was through a partner company, but they do the fulfillment for them. Actually, here's the package it came in, and it's from Indigi, I want to say Indigi Fulfillment, and Walmart sold it through their website. So took about maybe 3 days to get here. They're pretty fast shipping for regular shipping, I may add, but we're definitely going to get into it. The i17, not i17, the i7 TWS. From what I understand, there are 3 different versions. I actually have another version of these on the way. There's a version that actually come with a little case like the AirBuds come in from Apple. These, I believe, do not come with the case, but they do come as a pair. And be careful out there, because there are some people who think they're actually cheaper for like $9 and $10, but you will only get one. As you can see here, this says Twins True Wireless Earbuds. So you definitely want to make sure before you buy. I'll try to put a link to these through Walmart.com in the description. And as you can see here, some of the other little stuff they say: high definition music, sports friendly. I'm assuming if you run with your phone, a lot of people do run with their earbuds in. It says extra bass, hands-free calling. You can answer the phone with it, and they're very lightweight. So we're gonna get into the in-depth of these. We're gonna definitely take these out of the box, show you everything come in the box. And I'm gonna actually pair it to, I'm actually filming on my iPhone X, so I'm gonna pair it to the iPhone 6s Plus, which I'm sure if it pairs to one, it'll pair to all of them. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, we're gonna get right into it. As you see on the bottom of the box, it has the different colors that it comes in. These, of course, are white. They didn't bother to check it. Again, as I said here, some of the things that it offers, like I read off, the high definition, sports friendly, extra bass. We'll get into the quality. We'll see how that goes. And again, the i7 TWS 2 Trends wireless earbuds. And here on the back, a lot of the specifications here as far as how they're gonna work. So we're gonna get into it and see how it is. Let's get into it, see what's in the box. And as you see, like I stated, these are not the ones that come with the little carrying case. The first thing I noticed, like many people do, these are a lot bigger, it seems like, but I've heard that they give you better comfort and better hold in your ears. So with that being said, that's definitely not a bad thing. So there are the buds. Let's take this out. Like I thought, they got the USB plug-in for both head jacks, since they don't have the boxing port that the Apple ones also have. And here's the manual. Now, from what I've heard, these are sometimes kind of hard to actually connect, because they say you don't have to connect both. They say you just connect one and they'll double sync, and then they'll go ahead and just sync in together. So that's what we're gonna try to do, so we can test the quality. As I said before, I'm actually filming on my iPhone X, so I'm gonna use the 6s Plus to connect with. I'm gonna go from there and see if it works. So I take it those are your charging ports down there to plug these into when you're charging it. So what I'm gonna do is I won't do that. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get these synced up. Then once I do, I'll hop back on and let y'all know how it worked for me. Was it easy? and if there were any problems actually doing it. So stay tuned, I'll let you guys know. Okay, got the process done. I will tell you this. I don't know how it is. I'm pretty sure it's a lot easier for the actual Apple earbuds. It can be a little tedious if you don't know what you're doing, but as you see, I got them both blinking. They're both synced. What you want to do is when you put these together, as you see, I had the music going to make sure I had them both paired. You want to turn one on. You don't want to turn both on. You want to turn one on once it blinks. Then you double tap really quick on the other one and they will sync together. And then once you bring them up here on your Bluetooth screen, you want to click on just the one because they'll automatically pair together once you click on the one. If you know you're not doing it right, the one sign will be you'll see two of these TWS i7s, because if you're going to sync them both, you're only going to want to click on one. If you have two up there, that means you're connecting them one by one. You don't want to do that. So that will let you know that you're doing it right. But for the most part, I mean, of course, since I've never used them before, I don't know, so it was a little tedious for me. But for the most part, I mean, it's strange, but it works, as you see by them blinking and synchronization. So it definitely works. Now, let's move on to quality. The sound quality is not as bad. Now, make no mistake, you get what you pay for. These were about $23, $24. The Apple Buzz, I'm pretty sure at $150, you're going to get head bobbing, all kind of bass and good quality sound. But let me tell you, just from me playing a song on here, these are not that bad. Now, you won't get the same quality as like Dre beats or anything like that. But I will tell you this, for $23, $24, definitely not a bad investment if these are what you're looking to get. So if you want my definite insight on that, if you don't want to pocket out $150 for something so small and something so, minute like that, when there is a better offer at cheaper, definitely go that way. These personally, I'm definitely happy with. I have another pair on the way that I want to compare to these. They're the actual version where they come with a charge box in there. So I'll definitely be getting that and doing a review and actually comparing them to these. But these for $23, $24, definitely not bad. Definitely worth the purchase if you don't want to shell out $150, $160 in my personal opinion. I will turn them on to see if I can get them close to the speaker here so you can actually hear what it kind of sounds like. Let me go back to the music screen here and turn it on. Trying to just put it anywhere so where you guys can hear it. But for the most part, you get it. Pretty sure you won't be able to hear it that loudly. But like I said, if you go to the gym, you work out, you jog and things like that, like I will say this, these, once I test the other ones too, that's how I'll go with what I use. But these are perfect for the gym. You know what I'm saying? So definitely worth the investment. So all in all, just by not having the Apple Buds to compare with, just for a more generic standpoint, these right here, in my opinion, if you want to go 1 out of 10, I give them a 7.5, just because they don't have the box to keep them in. Because they're not Apple, of course, if you're into the name buying and things like that. But for the most part, I give them a 7.5 for that nature, because these don't come with anything to hold them in, so you just have to probably throw them in your pocket. And just because of the branding, when you turn them up loud, you may get a little tiny distortion, but for the most part, it is nothing to steer you off of them for $23, $24, in my opinion. Definitely worth the buy. And like I said, I'm gonna give it to, from the average Joe, average consumer point of view, $23, $24. If you're investing in any kind of iPhone, and if you don't want to pay the $150, $160, definitely the way to go, in my opinion. Definitely happy with the purchase. So you can't be mad at that. So I'm gonna end it right here. Like I said, my point of view on the i7 TWS Twins True Wireless Earbuds. In my opinion, definitely a go for the price. $23, $24, Walmart.com. I do have another one that actually comes with the case on the way. Those I purchased from Amazon, so stay tuned for that video. Got a lot more packages actually in already, so I have a lot more videos to roll out. But this is Shawn.Stay.Fitted review on wireless earbuds. definitely a go. $23, $24, definitely worth the pocket change, in my opinion. So I'm gonna see you guys on the next video. Stay classy. This your boy. I'm out.